is not by might. We had spoken.
Okay.
Sound, but him is even taller. Matire.
Let me take this opportunity first to congratulate the incoming Member of Parliament for Kiambaa constituency, Honorable John Njuguna Wanjiku, the most unlikely candidate. And I want to tell you all that the victory of Kawanjiku is a testimony of the new republic that we are going to build under the Hasra nation. 90% of the people who reside in this constituency, they are of the same status as Kawanjiku. There are people who are trying to eke out a living. There are people who are trying to earn from their sweat, and what they deserve is an opportunity to thrive, to bring up their families, and to earn a livelihood. Let me also thank our competitors. Although they tried to rig, but in the final analysis, I think the Holy Spirit descended upon them, and I think the will of the people of Kiambaa has been followed. And we were here in Juja. We witnessed what happened in Juja. We have wasted more than 14 hours in this Sterling Center. Please, we would want this to be the last time that we create this kind of drama because of some people not conceding defeat. And I want to pass a message to President Uhuru Kenyatta. A legacy is not created by projects. A legacy is not created by roads, neither by electricity, neither by SGR. A legacy is created by love.
Yes.
A legacy is created by a sense of humanity and respect for everyone.